Hey Alex, check this out. I just came across this guide on bodyweight exercises. It's all about building muscle anywhere, anytime, without any fancy gym kit. No weights, no machines, just your own body. Sounds perfect for someone like me who's always on the go.
Really? I've always thought you need heavy dumbbells or machines to get real results. But if prisoners and gymnasts swear by it, there must be something to it. What's the deal? Does it actually work?
Totally. The guide says bodyweight moves are great for full body coordination and strength. For example, a classic press-up doesn't just hit your chest and triceps, it engages your core, glutes, everything. It teaches your body to work as one unit, which helps prevent injuries and improves how you move overall.
Okay, that looks intense. But what if I'm not strong enough for full press-ups yet? I don't want to flop around like a fish.
No worries, they've got progressions. Start with incline press-ups. Put your hands on a wall, table, or chair to make it easier. Once you can do 10 clean reps, lower the surface until you're on the floor. It's way better than knee press-ups because it still builds that strong core. Imagine starting here, an elevated press-up to build up gradually.
Smart. And for the legs, squats and lunges, I guess?
Yep, exactly. Moves like squats, lunges, and even one-legged pistol squats target your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. They're awesome for high-volume workouts to burn fat or build muscle. Plus, you can do circuits, jump from one exercise to another with no setup time. Perfect for HIIT.
What about the back? Isn't pulling hard without equipment?
Good point. Pulling muscles like your lats and biceps are trickier. The guide recommends getting a pull-up bar if you can, but until then, focus on what you can do. And when you get too strong, get creative with variations like diamond press-ups for triceps or one-arm versions for a challenge.
This could be a game changer for home workouts. No more excuses about not having time for the gym.
Exactly. Start with the basics. Aim for good form in press-ups, squats, and lunges. You'll feel stronger, more coordinated, and ready for anything. Who's up for trying a quick circuit right now?